Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the process of excretion. What is excretion? The process of removal of toxic waste from the body is called excretion. Means body में से waste को remove करना. In our body, many reactions are continue or going on regularly, which produce some toxic substance. So for a normal life, we have to remove these toxic substance, and the removal of these toxic substance is known as excretion. First of all, we will discuss about the plants. Excretion in plants. Plants also produce a large number of waste product like human beings. Plants remove these waste by different ways. Plants do not have a special system for the removal of these waste. Plants have all the three types of waste, that is solid, liquid and gaseous waste. In gaseous waste, plants have oxygen and carbon dioxide. In daytime it is oxygen and at night time it is carbon dioxide. That is a waste for the plant. Plant remove these waste by stomata, that is present in the leaves, and lenticles, that is present in the stem. Plant collect solid waste in leaves, fruits and bark of tree. Bark मतलब छाल. Plant get rid these waste. Plant इन waste से छुटकारा कैसे पाता है? By falling of fruits, fruits गिराकर, शेडिंग ऑफ लीव्स, पत्तियां गिराकर, एंड पीलिंग ऑफ द बार्क, और जो बाहर की जो छाल होती है उसको पील ऑफ करके यानी कि उसको गिराकर. इस तरह से सॉलिड वेस्ट को प्लांट रिमूव करते हैं. सम वेस्ट आर गम्स एंड रेजिन्स प्रोड्यूस बाय स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट्स. गोंद, जैसे हम लोग सर्दियों में जो गोंद के लड्डू खाते हैं उसमें जो गोंद डलता है बेटा, वो हमें मिलता है प्लांट से, और वो है प्लांट का वेस्ट. प्लांट रिमूव एक्स्ट्रा वाटर by the transpiration process. Now what is the transpiration process? The process of removing waste from the leaves in the form of vapor is called transpiration process. Some waste are also removed by roots in the soil, that is gaseous waste like O2 and CO2. Now these are the few waste, that is solid, liquid, gas and different part of the plant which remove these waste. In some animals there is a special organ for excretion, like in amoeba carbon dioxide is removed by diffusion process, but ammonia like product is removed by contractile vacuoles. In earthworm there is a tube-like system called nephridia for the removal of the waste as well as skin. And in human beings or other animals in our surrounding, that is kidney for the removal of the waste. In human being, carbon dioxide is removed by the lungs, that is respiratory system, and urea like waste is removed by kidney. Here a diagram of excretory system is given, in which two kidney are there. Two tube-like structure is present, that is called ureter. A pouch-like structure is also present called bladder, and in the last it is urethra. In the diagram you can see renal artery carry dirty blood which is black in color in the diagram, and the renal vein which carry clean blood again back into the whole body. So main function of our excretory system is to collect liquid waste of the body and to get rid of this waste. This excretory system produce urine. This excretory system produce urine. So in the diagram you can see this excretory system here. Is it clear? Now the part of the excretory system, as I discussed that in the diagram, the two kidneys are there having the bean shape. These kidney lies in the back side just above the waist. कमर के पिछले हिस्से में बेटा ये दोनों साइड में किडनी प्रेजेंट होती हैं. The renal artery which carry dirty blood in the kidney filter this blood, and renal vein carry clean blood back to the body. The color of kidney is reddish brown and size is approximately 10 centimeter long and 5 or 6 centimeter wide. Now two long tube-like structure which collect urine from kidney and pass it to the bladder is known as ureter. यूरेटर क्या है? दो लॉन्ग ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बेटा. नाउ द ब्लैडर क्या है? एक पाउच लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच स्टोर यूरिन, जो यूरिन को स्टोर करता है. यूरिन को स्टोर करना, देन कैपेसिटी. तो ब्लैडर हैव ए कैपेसिटी ऑफ 700 to 800 ml. ब्लैडर की कैपेसिटी होती है 700 से 800 ml तक. व्हेन इट इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड, जब ब्लैडर कंप्लीटली फिल हो जाता है, वी हैव टू गो टू रिमूव this urine outside. Clear? There is a movement in the bladder that is called extrusive movements. Extrusive, जिसमें bladder completely खाली हो जाता है बिल्कुल लास्ट मोमेंट तक. Now it is urethra. Urethra is an opening tube which is connected to bladder. Urine pass out from body to external, that is through urethra. Okay, now composition of urine. Suppose somebody asks what is the composition of urine, then you have to say in urine 96% water, 2.5% organic waste like proteins, urea, uric acid, etc., and 1.5% inorganic waste like salts of sodium, potassium, some of the salts like carbonate salts, etc. Now the color of urine is yellowish color. Now the question arises, how blood is filtered in the kidney? So in our kidney, millions of excretory unit is present, and these excretory unit is known as nephron. नेफ्रॉन है बेटा, ये न्यूरॉन नहीं है. न्यूरॉन नर्व सेल को बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे ये है नेफ्रॉन, NEPHRON. द फंक्शन ऑफ नेफ्रॉन इज टू फिल्टर द ब्लड. Here is the structure of nephron. You can see a cup-like structure that is called Bowman capsule. In Bowman capsule, a sieve-like structure, छलनी की तरह structure present होता है called glomerulus, a group of cell. PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. Then एक नीचे U-shaped structure है that is called loop of Henle. Then DCT and collecting duct. In the Bowman capsule, renal artery carry dirty blood, a renal vein carry clean blood back to the body. This is the structure of nephron. Now we will discuss about the mechanism of urine formation, structure of nephron, working of nephron. एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ यूरिन फॉर्मेशन, हाउ यूरिन फॉर्मेशन अकर इन आवर बॉडी, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर, एक्सप्लेन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन, एक्सप्लेन द वर्किंग ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. तो इन सब क्वेश्चन के आंसर में आपने जो आंसर लिखना है वो ये है, दैट इज नेफ्रॉन इज ए फिल्टरिंग यूनिट ऑफ किडनी. नेफ्रॉन इज ए फिल्टरिंग यूनिट ऑफ किडनी. Dirty blood is carried by renal artery in the cup-like structure called Bowman capsule. This blood get filtered by glomerulus, that is a group of cell which works as a sieve, and it clean the blood. This blood will pass into the renal vein. During filtration, all material like glucose, amino acid, urea, salt, water comes out as a filtrate from Bowman capsule. Now this filtrate passes to the PCT. The useful material get reabsorbed. Selective reabsorption occur here. and this useful material get reabsorbed by the blood. In loop of Henle, all the useful material get absorbed by the blood. In the last, only water, some urea and salt are left. Extra water and some of the salt again get exchanged in dct. In the last, urine get pass out in the collecting duct which is connected to ureter, then it pass to bladder and then urethra and then outside the body. So it is the mechanism of urine formation, it is the working of nephron, it is the structure of nephron. Okay, now what happened if the kidney get fail? We have two kidney. Suppose one kidney get failed due to any infection, any injury, then other kidney will perform the same function. It will filter the blood. But if the both kidney get affected, then it is being difficult to filter the blood. And if blood is not get filtered, then the waste will collect in the body and it may cause disease. So kidney transplantation is the only permanent solution. If kidney transplant does not occur, then artificially blood have to be purified by the dialysis process. Dialysis. Now what is dialysis? The process of cleaning the blood by a machine is called dialysis. The machine is known as dialyzer. In this machine, a tube-like system is present which dialyzes the solution. When blood get passes through these tube-like system in the chamber having dialyzing solution, then due to the diffusion process, the waste comes out from blood to the dialyzing solution. Clean blood will pass into the body. It is a continuous process. Dialyzing solution should be changed so that the waste from the blood can pass out due to the diffusion process. Okay, you can see here the blood comes out from arteries. A pump pushes that blood into the dialyzer chamber. The dirty blood entering in the tube-like structure. In this chamber, dialyzing solution you can see here is present, and these are the dialysis tubes through which blood moves and the waste material comes out, and the clean blood will pass into the vein. In this way, dialyzer works or dialysis occur. Thank you.